Hi there, it's Mrs. Creeves. I'm here to tell you more about the set of real numbers. So we've already talked about the natural numbers and the whole numbers. So if you remember, the natural numbers are when we went outside to count trees and we went 1, 2, 3 and counted as many trees as we saw. And then the whole numbers said, well, hey, wait a minute, we need to create something that if we go outside and we don't see any trees, what are we going to use to represent that? So that was what was 0 came into place, and that was where the whole numbers, set of whole numbers came in. So now mathematicians are really proud of themselves, right? They have all these numbers and they've, come up with a way to represent things. And then, they go out to lunch one day and another guy pays for the other guy's lunch because he forgot his wallet. And then he looks at the guy and he says, hey man, you owe me $5 for lunch. And they look at each other and it was like this la moment where this light bulb went off and they went, oh, how do I represent owing somebody $5? We don't have that in our natural numbers and whole numbers. So voila, we must represent something this way. And that's where they came up with the set of integers. They said, we've got to write all the opposites of the natural numbers in order to represent the negative numbers. Now, we don't need to do this for 0 because 0 doesn't have an opposite, right? It's just nothing. We don't have a negative or positive nothing. So we have all of the positive counting numbers and natural numbers there, and then all of their opposites that then create the group of integers. So looking down here at the definition, the integers are the set of natural numbers, whole numbers, and the opposites of all the natural numbers, so the negatives added in. So you'll see the examples. They go from negative infinity, all the numbers in between that, and -4, -3, -2, -1, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, etc. to infinity. So all of those numbers are included. So one of the things I want you to just think about is integers doesn't just mean negative numbers. Integers means all of those numbers together. So an integer can still mean 3 plus 4, or an integer can mean -3 plus -4. So I just want you to be thinking about that you just don't sit and go, oh, if it's an integer, it has to be negative. That's not the case. It can be any of those. So good luck to you on your assignment. If you have any questions, give me a holler.